Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January the 22nd and we're going to be looking at light crude oil, CL, 60 minutes time frame. So oil has been really interesting, guys. I mean the commodities as the sectors, only in the precious metals, right? The monetary metals have been rallying a lot, starting with gold, and now silver also follows, and then copper is also following now. But oil, arguably the most important commodity, right, is still near the low. It's still near the low, and yeah, so we'll see if they follow the path of gold, silver in the future. But for now, what we are looking at here is a little bit more of a short term. Okay. As we can see here, we are looking for a 5 swing rally. This is with 2 here, 55.76. This is 3. This is 4, and now we're looking for upside within the with 5. Let me zoom out so you have an idea where that 5 waves come from. So this with 2 is right here, okay, and then this 3, 4, 5 in the 1 hour is right here, 3 and then 4 and then 5, right? So that's where we are. Okay, that is where we are now. We're looking for a 5 waves rally here, right? We're looking for a 5 waves rally. So potentially we can see another leg up. Now if you notice that this rally basically signals the cycle ended. You see in the size of the rally, you see how it breaks any kind of channel, right? It breaks. So this cycle has ended. So at minimum, I says at minimum because there is always possible other path. At minimum, we're looking to be correcting the cycle at minimum. So the question is, will it be possible? Oil ended the correction in 3 waves and then starts to go down. I guess anything is possible. This could have been ABC and then we can collapse, but I doubt it. I doubt that's gonna happen because that is way too bearish when the commodities are quite supported. Again, if it collapses, it's gonna go like this, right? Like 1, 2, and then going down to 39. I doubt it, to be honest. So I think the more sensible scenario, looking at the overall market, is actually to continue higher to do at the least. If this is not a new bullish market, then at the least we should be correcting this decline here, this cycle from June, and we should be doing it either in the form of an ABC or in the form of WXY, right? If it is in the form of ABC, that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then now looking for a 5. Now before you said, well, 1 and 4 overlap. Well, overlap is absolutely allowed, okay? Absolutely allowed and very common and it is called a diagonal, okay? So it's either in the form of an ABC, okay, which is ending elect, okay, which is ending elect in a larger degree, okay, which is ending elect in a larger degree, and then you got a B and then a C like this, right? So I said minimum because this could have been with 1, but at minimum we should be ABC, and then if it wants to go down again, it goes down from here, right? Let's say. But as you can see, we will have more upside in this scenario. Now the other scenario is, like I say, is WXY. Now the WXY can be like this. This could be A, this could be B, okay, and then this could be a C. Now the ABC ended W here, and then this is your X, and then you're gonna go up. Now what's the difference with the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Well, the difference is just the structure, right? It's still more upside as well in this case. It's just that the pullback is going to be a shallow pullback because it's not ending elect here, but it's ending only this leg. So it's only ending this small swing here, and then you will have a B, and then you will have another C, like so, to finish the Y. And then if it is still bearish, then it's gonna go down, right? So I'm presenting you either WXY or an ABC where you're gonna have 5 ways and then do a bigger pullback like this and then select, or we're gonna fail and then go down, which I roll out as unlikely, so you can rule that out. So it's either WXY, ABC, and then if we bottom, and I don't like calling bottom because calling bottom is the toughest part, right? Never call a bottom until the market clearly gives us a signal it is bottoming. If it is a bottom, this could be the start of a bullish market, like a wave 1 type of move, and then you have a wave 2, and then going higher in a wave 3. Okay, so that is the idea, but at least for now in the shorter cycle, expect more upside to finish with 5 as long as we stay above this 55.76, the previous wave 2 low here. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys, and as always, if you want to get more updates from us, make sure you like, subscribe the channel, as well as you know, if you're a new member, you can try our service. We have 14 days trial, only 99 cents, and you can use the link in the description of the video. Alright, so I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.